Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Android phone. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. Factory resetting is pretty much same on every Android phone, but today I'm using Google Pixel 2. So before you factory resetting your phone, make sure your all file back it up. If you don't know how to back up and restore your phone data, I will make another video. If you want how to back up or restore video, please let me know in comments. First of all, just press and hold power button to turn off your phone. After shutting down, press and hold power button and volume down key at the same time for a few moments. Then opening bootloader options, as you can see here showing arrow key to navigate options, here showing start. So if you press on power button, so it working as a select. If you press volume rocker key, then it work as a arrow key up and down. Then here is restart bootloader and change by pressing this volume down or up key. So I'm selecting, press the volume down or up key, then select recovery mode, then press power button to select recovery mode, and it will open another options. Then here showing no comment, then press and hold power button, then just press and release power up volume up key, and here showing lots of options here. And as you can see, and you can move the settings by clicking volume down or up key. Here's the apply update, and we select wipe data and factory reset, then press the power button to select. Then here is another warning, just press volume up or down key to select factory data reset, then power button to confirm, and it's showing wiping data, so it take yes, it's data wipe complete, so you need to restart. Then I'm clicking reboot system now, it start freshly. So after a few moments, it factory reset done, so everything start freshly. So pretty much that's it. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.